Among the dozens of gaming chair brands in the market today, Noble Chairs needs no introduction. Its name is synonymous with high-quality gaming chairs with a premium price tag to match. The legend is the culmination of the years of experience the company has spent making gaming chairs and has some of the best feature set among the brand's lineup. The Noble Chairs legend comes in a heavy box, with the contents well protected. Everything is individually packed, with the accessories coming in a neat little box. Assembly is straightforward too, as I didn't need a manual to put it together. At most, you will need about 20 minutes just to assemble the chair. The legend comes in 5 different colorways: anthracite, white, black, java, and the one you are seeing on screen, which is the black, white, red version. Unlike other cheaper gaming chairs that take inspiration from racing seats, the legend looks more like a car seat taken from a luxury SUV. Noble Chairs have taken attention to detail up a notch, with premium looking stitching along the seat bucket. The 4D armrests are flexible and have a huge range of motion. The backrest has adjustable lumbar support too. The chair is by far the most comfortable gaming chair I've ever sat on. The base is deep and wide, allowing people with thick thighs like mine to sit properly without feeling like they are being pinched. The adjustable lumbar support works wonders, providing ample support even during long gaming sessions. The cushions feel soft and premium, with a nice adjustability to them too, especially the headrest, which has some wiggle room for movement. However, the chair is not without its quirks. While the caster wheels feel smooth, I think it could be a tad smoother. Also, the armrests lack swivel for left and right. It would be nice to have the adjustability for me to get the most out of them. With a price tag of 1,609 ringgit for the fabric version and up to 1,899 for the black, white and red trim, the Noble Chairs legend does not come cheap. However, it has one of the most premium looking designs out there and the quality to match. Most importantly, the black, white, red colorway is the chef's kiss that makes the difference. So that is all for our review today. I am Belson from the EXO and I'll catch you in the next one.